Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are diving into one of the most common questions for Power BI beginner. What the real difference between a report and a dashboard in Power BI? I will not only explain both in simple terms, but also walk you through key differences and share real world use cases so you know exactly when to use what. If you have ever felt confused between the two, don't worry, you are not alone. Let's clear it up. So grab a coffee and let's jump right in. Alright, now that we know what we are diving into, let's start by understanding the Power BI dashboard, what it is. Think of it as your dashboard control center, and here's exactly what makes it unique. A Power BI dashboard is a single page interactive canvas that displays key insight and important metrics from one or more Power BI reports. In simple words, a Power BI dashboard is like a control room screen. It gives you the highlight, alerts, and key stats all in one place. Now let's see its real world use case. Imagine a hospital manager. They don't have time to dig through detailed reports every morning. What they need is a quick overview of the most important metrics like total admission today, ICU occupancy rate, or patient satisfaction, and emergency wait time. Now, instead of opening four different reports, they simply open their Power BI dashboard and boom, all those KPI are right there in one place, updated in real time. It's fast, it's focused, and it's helped them make quick decisions without getting lost in data. And that is the beauty of the Power BI dashboard. It is all about speed, clarity, and real-time decision making. Perfect for leadership level overviews where every second counts. But what if you want to dig deeper? What if you need to explore detailed patient record, trends over time, or filter data on the fly? That's where Power BI reports came into play. Let's break down what they are and why they are just as powerful, but for a different purpose. Now let's talk about Power BI reports. These are your deep dive tools in Power BI. A Power BI report is a multi-page interactive document that provides detailed visualization, analysis, and exploration of a single dataset. Unlike your dashboards, which show summarized highlights, report allow you to explore the full story behind the data. With multiple pages, detailed visual, interactive filter, and drill down capabilities. Think of a report as your data workspace where analysts, data enthusiasts, and decision makers can uncover trends, spot anomalies, and ask deeper questions. Let's take an example to understand how a Power BI report works in real world. Imagine a healthcare analyst trying to analyze performance across multiple areas. They build a Power BI report with multiple pages, each focused on specific angle, such as one page for monthly patient admission, another for department-wise treatment, and another comparing hospital performance. This setup let them go deep, apply filter, interact with visual, and draw meaningful insight. Unlike a dashboard that gives you a snapshot, a report helps you tell the whole story page by page. Now that we understand what a Power BI report and dashboard are individually, let's put them side by side and clearly break down their key differences. Think of this like comparing slides versus snapshot. Both value but used very differently. Our first feature is created in. A Power BI reports are created using Power BI Desktop, which gives you full control over visual, filter, and text. Dashboards, on the other hand, are built in Power BI Service, mainly for sharing insight and monitoring. Second feature is pages. Reports have multiple pages, just like a slide deck, so you can organize your analysis by topic or department. Dashboards are just one page, meant for quick top-level summaries. Third feature is data source. A report usually connects to one dataset or model, but dashboard can combine visuals from multiple reports and dataset, given a giving a cross-sectional view. Our fourth feature is interactivity. Reports offer high interactivity like slicer, filters, drill down through, and tooltip, whereas dashboards are less interactive, mainly showing paint visuals. Our last feature is best for. Reports are best for analysts and data explorers who want to dive deep, whereas dashboards are made for executives and managers who just need high-level KPIs at a glance. So depending on the need, whether it is deep analysis or a quick status check, you will know when to use a report and when to go with the dashboard. Now that we have clearly compared reports and dashboard side by side, let's take a quick moment to wrap up everything we learned. Use reports when you need to explore, analyze, and interact with detailed data. Choose dashboards when you want to monitor key metrics quickly and share insight across teams. Each serve a unique purpose, and mastering both gives you the power to build smarter data solutions tailored to different users. So next time you are in Power BI, ask yourself, do I need deep dive or just a bird's eye view? We explored the difference between Power BI reports and dashboards, understood when to use each, and look at real world examples. I hope this gives you more clarity and confidence to choose the right tool for the right audience. Keep practicing, keep exploring, because with Power BI, the more you try, the smarter your insights become. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and drop your thoughts and questions in comments. See you in the next one. Until then, keep building with data.